Hello everybody, I'm Dimitri from LeMitri's. These are the 4 Hogwarts litter puppies, and welcome everybody. It's been a while. We've been on a break. Now the puppies are all grown up. They are almost 6 weeks. They are going to be ready to go to their homes. They're going to be ready to go to their homes in 3 weeks, after April 11th or so. And these, so this is Hufflepuff. It's a girl. She is reserved already. Then we have, this is, oh right, so Hufflepuff is going to be a red-headed tri. Then this is Slytherin. I see she has a little snake on her head. It's a girl. She's gonna be black-headed tri, and I think she's still available. Yes, my phone keeps switching. Then we have, ow, this is Ravenclaw. Yeah, this is Ravenclaw. It's a girl. She is going to be black-headed tri. Ah, she chews on me like crazy. You stop it. You stop it. Why the phone keeps slipping? You stop it. Here, chew on little from BarkBox. The chameleon. Here, go chew on chameleon. There you go. There you go. Out of my hands. And let's see. This is Gryffindor. Yes, this is Gryffindor. He's a boy. He's going to be black-headed tri. The mom is Merida. Dad is Laddie. And we have a cute little butt sticking out in his flute. Yeah. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Right, so Hufflepuff is reserved, and Ravenclaw, not Ravenclaw, this guy, Gryffindor. Oh, ow. Right, so Slytherin is a boy. We have 2 girls, 2 boys. Slytherin is a boy. Gryffindor is a boy. Hufflepuff is a girl. And Ravenclaw is a girl. You stop it! Yeah, we are gonna start doing weekly live streams. So on Saturdays at around 12:30, around 1 p.m. Central. And if you have any questions, you can always put them in the comments. You can always reach out to us through the website or through social media at LeMitri's. Stop chewing on me. Hey, chill. 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 Goodness gracious, you little puppy. Go chew on your brothers and sisters, not on my hands. Oh, Gryffindor is so super cute. He's sleeping already. Come here. Hufflepuff has a very interestingly marked face. Half and half. No! No! No, 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 no. Ow! And there's my beautiful assistant, Lexi, Le of LeMitri's. Oh. Ow! Gryffindor, he's gonna be a good sized boy. Like, you can see how thick his face is already. So he's gonna be a good size. The rest of them, they're all about the same size. He's kind of wide boned. Hi Jessica. They are such cuties. How are, let's see, is it Churro?
Churro and Cassie?
No,
Callie.
There you go. How's Churro and Callie? I've seen some pictures of Churro recently. Goodness, he looks beautiful. from your was it daughter's birthday or something like that? They were super cute pictures. Oh, yes, calm down. Oh, spluters. What is it, Gryffindor? Right, Hufflepuff, her name will be Lenny.
Well, they're still deciding.
They're still deciding, but possibly Lenny. And let's see. Do we know Slytherin's name?
Not yet.
Ow!
Oh my.
It's allergy season, so I am under the weather. They are great. He's a handsome boy for sure. He likes it to dig and make messes, and Kayla likes to fight at him. Yeah, that's typically the dynamics whenever you have two corgis. One of them is a troublemaker, and then the other one is kind of a keep the first one in line. Oh, Slithering. Hi, Slithering. And Callie looks like Belle. Oh my goodness, she looks like Belle. We need to meet up at some point, somewhere at the park or something. We'll bring Belle, you'll bring Callie, and we'll take Twinkie pictures. Yeah, the official pictures of these pups are gonna come out probably tomorrow. We're gonna try to do the pictures today. Here, can you take over for a second?
Oh, sorry guys. Oh, Gryffindor. Let's see. Oh, he's so cute. Hello. Oh, there's Hufflepuff. Oh, I know. It's time to run. Got a bunch of little cuties. Slytherin here. Hufflepuff. So super cute. Yeah. So super cute. He's super cute. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're so excited to be here. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Gryffindor. Oh. Cute. Oh.
Similar attitudes. Callie is very dominant and runs the house. Yeah, that's typically how the girls are. The girls seem to be more queen-like than boys being kings. Yeah. Oh my goodness. And the phone keeps flipping. Oh, hey, don't chew on Mama's foot. Don't do it. Oh, who's that? Who's that under? We got some.
Can't have too many kisses. Can't have too many kisses. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh my goodness. Who's a bunch of cuties? Where's your baby? Baby? Why you crying? No crying. You don't cry, baby. No, you don't cry, baby. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Little tail wags. Ow. 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 Little needle teeth. Oh, she's swimming. She's swimming away. Oh, oh. Is it not squeak? Oh, there it is. Oh. Turkey time. Woohoo. Hi.
Hold it
Hi.
tail. Hold it tail. Don't bet your mama's tail. Don't bet your mama's tail.
Yeah, they surely do.
Bet your mama's tail.
Oh, he's a super cute.
Typical. Why had no one taking him?
Well, need to send out the announcement and everything. Oh. Hi, Slivering. Hi, Slivering. Oh. Run. Boop. Beep, beep. I wonder if this black box does this black box on the right side show on your screen, folks, the people who watch, or I wonder if it's just on my side. Oof.
Oh, that was a big fall.
Oh yes.
Look at the big fall. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, with the COVID restrictions being lifted and stuff, maybe finally we can have a LeMitri's get together in fall, like November or something, or December. Uh-oh, you can see the black box too. Well, snap. Sorry about that. I haven't set it up correctly, I guess. Oh.
No, not again.
You stuck under the dishwasher last time? Oh. What is it?
She wants to go in there and she can't.
Oh yeah, last time you scratched your eye when you got there. Didn't you learn anything from that experience?
She said, yeah, I learned it was fun.
Live precariously, is that the motto?
Mm-hmm. Life on the edge. Oh.
Ow. Ow. Oi, oi, oi. Hi, Hufflepuff. Hufflepuff. So many kisses.
Some poor mommy.
Oh, somebody's half spoon sticking out.
Oh, chicken leg.
Oh, who's that? Who's that?
Glittering. Yep.
Hi, Slivering. Somebody pooping over there. Oh, we found something. Gryffindor. Hi, buddy.
That's Raven.
Oh, that's Raven. Where's Gryffindor?
Gryffindor's behind you.
Behind me.
You up.
Wait, where are you? Oh, there you are. Gryffindor. Hey, come here. Come here, buddy. There you are.
Bite. Good bite. Oh, look at that tail. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. Look at that tail.
I just need to attach the dusting thing,
What is it?
the dusting brush.
Some love. You want some love?
Oh, oh. You like Hufflepuff the most? Or
I like Gryffindor too.
you like Gryffindor?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Well, she wants to be loved. Look at her.
I know. She says, love me. I'm super cute. Oh, her ears are starting to go up.
Trying.
Oh, yes. My goodness, this keeps flipping. Come on, Gryffindor. Are your ears starting to go up yet?
Oh. Hi, Gryffindor.
Oh, look at that tail.
Oh my goodness. Come here. Come here. Oh. That's your face.
Oh. Okay, let's do let's do a little show off, and we can wrap up for today. That wasn't a puppy, that was a toy. Okay.
Gryffindor.
This is Gryffindor. Good boy, big boy. Fully black, very good color. Gonna be big boned. Okay. That's Gryffindor. He's still available. This is
Raven.
Raven. It's a girl. Black-headed try. Let's do the side. Fully black, a little very interesting color. Do the back again. Very interesting color. Okay. She is also available, right? Yeah.
Yes.
This is Hufflepuff. She's gonna be she. She's gonna be a red-headed try. You can already see how brown her coat is compared to the other ones. She is not available. We just had a call with her future owners. So yeah. And then we have Slytherin over there. Here's Slytherin. Also gonna be a fairly big girl. She is reserved. Boy. Yeah, you can just tell the structure of the difference between girls and boys. Gonna be black-headed try. Very standard, good color. Thick, white, and on the neck.
I wonder if she's gonna be redheaded. She might be redheaded. Maybe we'll see. We'll see.
I didn't think so. Like, look how pronounced the.
Look at his ears.
Oh. Little Dumbos. We'll see. I think he's gonna be like just a lighter. All right, so.
We'll see who's right.
Yeah, we'll see who's right. So yeah, these are the four. Mom is Merida. Dad is Laddie. If you have any questions, if you're interested, let us know. This video will go on YouTube as well. If anybody who doesn't have social media would like to watch it. If you have any questions, always reach out on social media. email, text. And if you're interested in one of these pups, then you can fill out the interest form on the website. And if you're interested in some of our shirts, we have a store, LeMitri's.store, some cool t-shirts. All right, thank you everybody, and we'll do a next stream next Saturday around the same time. We'll see you next time.